Hello, this video tutorial will explain how to add yourself or your employees to become on-demand provider on Buku Now app. You will need to follow this video even if you are the only user.
If you have not created an on-demand provider account, please sign up to create one.
Please note, users can only be added using the Buku Now website. You cannot add your users from the mobile app.
Let's get started. On the top, click Login. Enter your login information.
I am now going to show you how to add a new user. Click on Add User on Demand. Adding a user to become on demand is easy.
Fill in the user's information. This information has to be accurate. Customers on the app might ask for identification from your user, and they must oblige.
Please make sure that this information, such as name, cellular number, auto plate number, email address and password, is for this on-demand provider, not the company's.
Cellular. This is the on-demand provider mobile number so customers can call or message this user for information. Auto license plate number. This is required for customers to verify that this is the provider that they hired. Please be sure to update this information if this provider uses a different vehicle. This user also will have access to this information through the Buku Now app. Email address. This email is only used for your provider to log in on the mobile app. Password. You may create a temporary password for your user. They will get an email with their login information, and they can always change it from the mobile app.
Selecting categories. Only check next to the on-demand service that your user can provide. He does flat tire, fuel delivery, jump start, lockouts and towing. Make sure to answer all legal questions about the service that this provider will offer. Please note, it is the account holder responsibility to keep the account and users up to date. Click on the information icon next to the category for examples of what to write on employee charges. You could click on the copy button to paste it on the employee charges. Just remember to fix your own rates. Since this provider does all the selected categories, I want to make sure to write description about every single one of them. As you could see, I have wrote all the services here that this user offers. I also described information and pricing for each individual category. Make sure to also list payments accepted: cash, Visa, MasterCard. You may also put a coupon, example, 10% off using Buku Now app. This is what the customer will see on their mobile app. This user can also edit this from the mobile app. Please note, we may suspend or terminate an account that selects a category that this user does not provide. Please make sure to only check next to what this user can provide on demand. This is only for this user. If you have other users that offer different service, don't worry, our system will let you select different options for them.
Employee notifications. This is only if you want to receive an email when this user cancelled an order. This user did not take an order. This user finished a job. Customer cancelled a job. This information is just to keep you updated. If you do not want these emails, do not click on them.
Please make sure that all information was added correctly. It is your company's responsibility to stay on top of this and make sure it's up to date. You could always come back and make changes.
Make sure you click on Save. You're done. Please follow the same procedure if you have more employees.
This user will upload their photo through the mobile app. This user also just received an email with their login information and a video tutorial on how to use the mobile app. Please make sure to contact them and tell them it's their responsibility to watch the provided video and train themselves. Please note, it is also the company's responsibility to track and make sure that when their users are online to take an on-demand order, that means they're ready to work. If your user is not ready for an on-demand job, make sure they are offline. Our system monitor and might suspend or terminate your user if they were online and did not respond to an on-demand order. Thank you for advertising your services on Buku Now.